Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some possible leaked Summerfest items, so let's get into the video. Alright, so Summerfest should be coming out this week or next week, so we're going to be looking at some leaked possible Summerfest items, so let's go and look at those. So the first one we're going to be looking at is this picnic set, which might be coming in Summerfest. It might not. It kind of looks like it could be something for like an October or November member box. But picnics are somewhat associated with summer, so it could be coming in Summerfest. Alright, so next up we have this kind of like Firefly Buddy that's blue. It has some yellow eyes, like orange horn types, blue eyebrows, and it looks pretty. So here's its spine. This is like the body of its shadow, the eyes. This might be like a tail or something. Not sure what this is. Might be part of the head. These are the horns, and this might be some of the body. So now we have this one, which could be coming. There is a blue variant of this already in the game, and I think this one might come in Summerfest because bubbles, blowing bubbles are kind of related to like summer stuff. And then we have this leaked pet, which is like an umbrella, maybe a mushroom. It's probably going to be a water pet. I don't really like how it looks for some reason. I don't really know why. And then we have this one, which again looks like an umbrella. This one looks more like a flower than an umbrella. And yeah, this one looks pretty cool as well. These will probably be in the battle rewards for like completing 10, 20 battles or whatever. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.